In this video, we show how to connect wire in the Allegro X System Capture tool. The drawing wire option is used to achieve connectivity between the components. To draw a wire, choose the Draw Wire icon from the toolbar, or choose Place and click on the Wire tab, or press the W shortcut key. After clicking the wiring option, the mouse pointer changes from Normal Select to Precision Select. Now you can draw the wire from one component to another component. In some cases, if you want to end the wire on an empty space, double-click on the canvas window. Another way to connect the components is to place components on top of each other to connect the one component pin to another component pin. Then move or drag the components to generate the wire. The System Capture default assigns the tool-generated net names or system-assigned net names. You can rename the net as per your requirement. Right-click on the wire, click on the Rename tab and enter the new name. You can also press the F2 shortcut key to rename the net, double-click on the net name to rename the net, or use the Property pane to rename the net. You can rename multiple nets at the same time. Right-click on the selected net and click on Rename. The new Rename signal pop-up displays on the screen, where the left column is the existing name and the right column is the new name. If you want to rename the nets, for example, enter the net names and press the Enter button. Now you can see all the net names have been changed in one step. System Capture provides an easy way to connect the wire. Right-click the selected component and use the Draw Stubs menu. Here, you have the option to add the wire to the components by selecting Set Prefix, then entering the prefix value to the display net name. Here are the net names you can see on the screen. You can also use the set suffix by entering the suffix value to display the net name. Here are the net names you can see on the screen. Or, you can the same as pin name option, as shown net names on the screen. Finally, you can use the system generated net names option, as shown as net names on the screen. Note, only use uppercase letters to name the nets. To automatically do this, choose Edit then click on Preferences, select Schematic then the Wiring/Ports tab, and turn on Convert lowercase signal names to uppercase. That is all we have now for this video. Thanks for watching.